What's up, guys? It is Friday, June 7th, 6:30 a.m. and this is going to be a brief crypto market update. So in about 2 hours from now, we have the unemployment data coming out. So definitely this morning, expect some whipsaw volatility. But in my opinion, it's going to end up being a payday, whatever happens this morning. In that sense, we look at the 12-hour chart on Bitcoin, right? And we've held the line and had multiple 12-hour candle bodies close above the 786. So from this high down to the low, this 786 here at 70,789. And that's solid. We want to see that. And we want to see the momentum continue to rise up. And that's what we're seeing right now in the TSI. And what I'd really like to see is on the 12-hour candle that happens from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. tonight, is it be a dark green MACD bar, which would show us that, all right, we have a real breakout and a real move to the upside. And looking right here, we have a trend line coming up like that we held as support. And I had this fractal from the video yesterday I showed you, and we're right on par with it. And actually, we're right on point with the timing as well, too. So we should see this morning the beginning of the pop, and it would bring Bitcoin up to around 75, 76K, and we would likely come back down, wick people out. If you're greasing it up, be extremely careful when Bitcoin is running up crazy, because any slight dip from Bitcoin is a wicketing event for alts. So be extremely careful. But this is what I'm expecting as far as Bitcoin for today, is us to finally get above that 74K level, come back down, maybe retest that support, and then us be well on our way. So 12-hour chart looks good. Daily chart still rising up here, looking very solid, and stock RSI is looking very similar. So like this cross down, still above the 50 line, cross back up. Right here, cross down, cross back up, looking very similar to this is our next move up, a nice impulse up. And we could see, because with the 786 breakout, a 4236 extension is actually at 92K, and it's right at the orange snake there, the orange MA on the Stargate snakes. So a lot of confluence. That's what I'm targeting next on the high end. But in the short term, 82 to 85K is definitely the level upon completion of breaking through 74K flat and holding as support. So those are the levels. Looking at the dollar, still momentum looking like it's going to break down. Bond yields, momentum looking like it's going to break down. Stock market still rising here. We look at the alt season pump or dump chart here, and we have broken down, coming back up to retest this critical support, now resistance, and it's likely will roll back over. Maybe with the volatility this morning, we see some little pop up, but then we come back down. So that's all looking fine and well. And then Bitcoin is going to be the driver here. So we need to watch Bitcoin this morning. And then for others, so altcoins, looking at the 4-hour chart here, if we were to come down, the EMA ribbon's right there on the 4-hour chart. And we have that pi cycle MA, this red line coming up, acting as our floor as well too. So looking solid here at 12-hour chart. If we can get above the simple 200 moving average here, around 296 billion, it's very likely we're going to come up to 313 billion. And that's going to be the point that if we can break above, hold that support, we're well on our way, and we'll come up to the 2618, which is a retest of these highs back here. So that's what I'm watching. It looks like it's going to be a good day, but I just wanted to get across that there's going to be some volatility this morning. And that's why you're going to want to join the Discord. Link is in the bio, because I keep you guys updated real time in the market update channel. So you're going to want to join it. Link is in the bio. And I'm still going to release that altcoin specific market update today on XLM, HBAR, XCC, Songbird, Flare, Stronghold, and Jasmine. So you're going to want to subscribe, hit the notification bell for that. And I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.